put the onus on me for the Yanks. Oh, boy. We have Case 7 of Tier 1. Tim with livecasebreak.com. We did something a little special here. Had a little random to fill. We wound up with the Yankees and Red Sox, so I made a deal with you guys. Sell off the other 5 teams. Made the Yankees a community spot. The majority of the lower-end cards, Yankees just going to stay here, but if we hit anything 100 or higher, we'll auction it off on eBay and split the points amongst all of you. So, could be a Ruth, could be a Gehrig, could be something crazy, could be nothing at all. My gift to you, thank you for filling up the 7 cases quickly, guys. After this, we're going to do some knockout. We have 1 break with 3 left, and then we'll do personals until the room dies down. Thanks, everybody. Let's see if we can end with a bang. I'm going to go with that one. We'll go far right for case 7. Oh, Greg even picked it too. It's an omen. All right, good luck, everybody.
But again, the Brazilian stops the pass.
He's got to open up and stand up.
Inside of 2 minutes left.
See if we can get a good dismount out of
to get
this.
back to the feet and make something happen, or at least get on top.
Not the worst. Everybody's rooting for the Babe Ruth knob now.
She does.
Everybody.
She's not flailing away. They're pretty straight. Coming down, finding the pockets, finding the holes.
8.9. Better than I thought. There was still quite a curve there.
Kayla should face smush her
I'll
right
take
now.
8.9.
Stand up and just drop big punches. And just disrupt her breathing with the face smush.
Gibby, says Danny.
Well, triangle again. Got to be careful here.
But right away,
Postured
Kayla.
right up. Yep. Responded right away.
Very intelligent defense.
Now if Kayla turns her left shoulder forward and puts a little bit of pressure, she's going to pass.
With a 10 auto?
Counting down
A
30
10
seconds
facsimile auto?
And this triangle attempt might be Larissa Pacheco's only hope if she can advance it.
Kayla decides to go back inside rather than go around.
Okay.
She's gonna be satisfied with taking the 3 points.
Perfect. Here we go. Number 1. I do need to print this off real quick before we flip that. Danny gave you a Vlad? What the hell, man?
Back in a moment. Successful
Jesus.
season 2 debut for Kayla.
That has to be a bat now. Oh, do we show it now? Do we wait to the end? Massive card right there. Double thickness of a regular patch. Those are almost always bat knobs. Or a barrel. I'm going to leave it right in front. Torture everybody. Jesus, we got another fat pack. What the hell's going on here? Big 2-pack. Wow. Awesome auto to start. Boston. Brett B. I'll tell you what, we'll show it halfway through if it's a bad case. We'll save it to the end if it's a good case. But that's an excellent way to start. Yes, for Boston. Brett B. Nice buy, man.
Sunday Night Baseball on ESPN.
Oh, boy. We may have stumbled upon a hot case. 22 out of 25 on the Albert. Triple color ×2 for the Angels. Mr. Streeter, that is all you, man. Nice card. 2000th RBI today as well. Or yesterday, actually. Kershaw, game used, 7 out of 399. Jake Bauers auto for the Rays out of 250. 14 out of 250. I'm nervous for that thick card right there. Tell you. Little antsy. Little antsy. Feels like a patch window here. Whit Merrifield, another nice card for KC. Pitt, second Merrifield auto on the night. 53 out of 100. We got a Miguel Cabrera 375, bottom auto, upside down Chad Green for the Yanks. That will not be a community card. 111 out of 299. Off to the LCB Com Seaport. Another fat pack. Come on, book. Double up on the knob. Autographed patch by the looks. Damn, Oakland, that is on card too. That is just beautiful. Matt Chapman. Haig, nice card, buddy. 5 out of 10. Triple color. Matty Chapman for the Oakland A's. Game U, jumbo. Prodigious patch. Yep, autographed prodigious patch. That's a nice card. Oakland A's doing work in these breaks. Chapman right underneath it. Another gamer. And we got an upside down Colby Allard, rookie auto. 104 out of 250 for the Colby. Haig doing work. He's got the Braves this case. Jaron's got the Braves this case. Dying. We got a 4-pack with a extra auto. That does not happen very often. Chad Green, 9 out of 10. Tier 1 talent. Nice auto for the Yanks. There's silver ink. Would not be community, but 2 Chad Greens. Good to know. He's got 2 different uniform variations too, just in case anybody was keeping track of that. There's one there on the Tier 1 talent, and then he's got the gray away jersey there. So bonus auto in this pack, we get a Blake Snell, 299. Nice card for the Rays. 249 out of 299. Tampa. Mr. Nemo. That's all you. We got our relic and another auto too. Kimbrell, 375. Low numbered on the bottom.
Kayla, look, I know
Silver,
language, despite the
silver
win,
ink,
you're not very
Dustin
satisfied
Fowler,
with that. We'll look
Haig,
for the toughest test
have
you've
yourself a
had
break,
yet.
1 out of 10 on the
She's a
Fowler.
game opponent, you know,
Former
she's got a
Yankee
lot of
prospect,
experience.
now with the A's.
My hat's off to her because she's a tough lady. Talk about that
Harrison
relative
won?
when she had your
Okay,
back.
by
Did you show
decision,
trouble at
nice.
any point?
Just
I mean,
missed
you
it.
remained calm. Yeah,
The spaghetti
look,
card,
that
and I
trained
forget who
with us,
coined that
you know,
last night.
Jimmy
We're at the
Love,
halfway
American
point.
team.
Again,
Quite
super
close
thick
to
card there in the
perfect
middle.
everything,
Could
including being
be
in bad
a
position.
prodigious patch, but we had a
And,
couple
you know,
last night, and they were
key
not
is just to stay calm and
that thick.
fight smart, and thankfully we drove
Hogging
a lot,
all the
so that's what I
hits,
did.
man.
Well, it's great to see you in here. Congratulations on the
Dee
win.
Dee
We know
out
you'll
of
be back next
240
time,
for the
so
Yanks.
Congratulations. Thank you. Kayla Harrison.
Lindy out of 200 for the Indians.
Thank you,
Bottom
Kayla.
auto,
Season
Willie
2
Adames,
has
Tampa
begun
Bay.
here
Nice break for
on
the
Long
Rays.
Island. Here's
Blake
our
Snell,
Presidente
nice clean
Cruz
auto.
side.
Willie
Side
Adames,
to
clean
see
auto.
with a liver kick.
Greg Nemo.
David Michaud
Does Haig always hide the
17
hits?
seconds into the first round.
That was you, Greg? Yep. Now I remember it, but I just couldn't remember it right off the top of my head. Definitely, it really does look like he's coming out of a plate of spaghetti, though. You're right. Got another 3-pack with 3 autos instead of the 2, or a 4-pack with 3 autos. Have you guys seen that yet, or am I completely losing my mind? Nice auto, Brian. Jose Ramirez signed 150 cards. It's nice. I would have thought he'd be an SP around 80. 80, 85. Nice Jose Ramirez. Clean on-card ink. Luke Voigt for the Yanks. Inks are hitting, just nothing big yet. 122 out of 250. Got a DD relic. 375. 42 out of 375. And Steven Duger. That is out of 250 blue ink. 128 out of 250. San Francisco Giants. Craig, that is all you. 5 boxes left, and then the big fatty. Hates the Reds. You say that, Brad. Here comes a red. Maybe not this pack. Another Hoffman. That's a tier 1 auto. Base 101, 125. Hoffman for the Padres. Brian J., you were going to have one hell of a Hoffman PC, man. Going to need to get that 101. I think you'll have the rainbow. I know you definitely have a silver and a bronze from last 2 nights, I believe. Longo, 78, 375 for the Rays. Bottom auto, Sean Manai. Haig, hogging all the hits. Looks like he wrote small ass. 109 out of 250. Well, you could sell them all, Brian. Sell them all, buy a couple Tatises, I bet. 4 boxes left in case 7. Got a 3-pack. Damn, that's a nice auto.
That's good.
5 out of 25 on the Syndergaard bronze ink. Tier 1 talent. Mets for Tanner. Nice hit, dude. Little Thor. Lots of Thor, lots of DeGrom last 2 nights. Jackie Bradley Jr. for the Sox, and the Crime Dog for the Atlanta Braves. 007 out of 100. Atlanta for Jaron. Fred McGriff. Nice tier 1 talent auto. We got ourselves 3 left. Fat pack coming up. I believe we got a thick card in that first. Holy.
First 30-point playoff win in franchise history. Not exactly easy to process.
Seriously?
Check that out. Joel Embiid trying to give Pascal
Doubling
Siakam
up,
a handshake
ladies and gentlemen.
Siakam wants no part
Just
of
go ahead and
touching
turn
the
those
sick
both
Embiid.
over.
Ben
Leave
Simmons
them right
was
in the middle.
sick early on. Good decision making. They got the wall
Woo.
there to keep him away. So you get
I
it
say
up to
Greg
Tobias
Hall
Harris.
gets credit for picking the case.
Philly made 10
Simultaneously,
threes
as I
in all
called out
later.
right side, he had already
Watch
typed it
Simmons.
into the chat.
Embiid's gonna miss the shot.
Alex
Embiid
Wood goes to
wins
LA,
down
30 out of
low.
299 for the
Finishing
Dodgers.
8 rebounds in this game,
Little
4 on the
Dodger
offensive
action. We
glass.
got a
Not
Sabathia out of 375 for the Yanks. And a Bobby
Bobby
Richardson auto. 6 Yankee hits, unfortunately. Nothing big yet. 98 out of 299. Bobby Richardson and CC. Oh, here we go. Last box. This feels really light. Gotta be a 3-pack. I didn't pick any cases, Charles. We got a redemption in here. I'm going to pull it so I can't peek. Altuve, 375 for the Houston Astros. Rookie auto Barucki for the Jays. Pibb did call a knob. There may be 2. I mean, those are 2 massively thick cards. Could be a signature tools. That's how big those were. 3 out of 250 on the Barucki. Let's see who the redemption is. Clear 1 dual autograph. Oh boy. Good luck, everyone. Oh man, big hit for the Braves. Clear 1 dual. I want to say those are either out of 10 or 25. Ooh, Acuna and Albies. Nice Barucki for the Jays too. Hot case. Got Atlanta. Jaren with the Braves this break. Man, Braves have been all over the place as far as owners. Many different people trying the Braves. That is the first big Brave hit since the very first case when we had the Albies 101. Those are out of 10? Damn. Clear dual auto. Nice hit, Jaren. We'll get it redeemed for you, buddy. Here we go. I say we go on this side first. This was the first one. First, we got ourselves, well, we'll just pull off the bottom, actually. Did the 2 autos first. Okay, Thames out of 299. Brew Crew on the board. Pull you a knob. You got it, buddy. Freddie, 8 out of 10. Another nice Braves hit. Jaren, that goes to you, man. Acuna Albies clear 1 and a Freddie Silver Ink Beauty, 8 out of 10. Here it is. Good luck to you all. First thick card. It's a knob. Ooh. Holy shit, Piazza. Damn. Tanner. Last second random, bro. You were probably only in the room for knockout, brother. Piazza strikes. Congrats, bro. Even got the MP on there. Little scuff. 1 of 1. That is awesome. Damn, that's nice.
I was just being Ben Simmons.
New York Mets.
What does that mean
That is
in
going to be
this game?
tough.
Tough.
Tough to top. We got one more thick card, though. Same exact size as the knob.
That exact same thing a little bit
Actually, it is slightly bigger. Maybe like 1/8 of an inch. Yeah, Andy Cap will be looking for that one, Tanner, if you're selling. Feel free to post that in the Facebook group, Tanner. I got a bunch of Mets guys that'll be all over that. Nice hit, buddy. Okay, we got 1 knob out. Here we go. Let's pull this card off the bottom. Final 3 cards. Looks like a 5 of 5 on the bottom. So it's going to be an autograph patch, I believe. Fran Mil Reyes out of 250 for the Padres. He did. Severino for the Yanks. That's 11 out of 120. So Severino's a little bit of an SP. 11 out of 120. Oddly enough, Jose Ramirez and a couple other guys have more autos. Here we go. This is sideways. And we got ourselves a... Oh, damn, one of the buttons. Button with a pinstripe. Is it autographed? I don't think it is. Nope, non-auto. Anthony Rizzo, 5 out of 5 for the Cubbies. Calvin, one of my many Cubs fans. That's going all the way to you, buddy. Nice freaking case. Wow, we finally got a hot case. Only took 7 cases. We got ourselves a hot case. Beautiful Rizzo, a little button pinstripe. I actually like how they put the button under the card too, so that'll still fit in a top loader. Hate it when they do those old buttons, leave them sticking out. Actually, NT does that a lot. Big hit of the case, not the Rizzo though. This guy.
in the
And
second half tonight. How did Philly legs dominate Game 6?
I just thought
that
they
fella.
had
Player
guys
one dual auto,
step
ACUNA and
up that
ALBIES.
hadn't been really. And for me, it is
That's going to be a really tough one for Ron to cap. That'll be Saturday night. He's going to take a one-night breather from Tier 1. MP, Piazza 101. There we go, guys. Thank you all for joining. We're going to do some UFC knockout next. And personals, if anybody wants anything. We got plenty of stuff in the store. Feel free to check out the website. I'm going to clean up, move these cards on the side, get that Piazza up on the Instagram, and we'll be back probably 5-10 minutes, guys. Just a few. Let's get that video on.